1, 2, 3. My name is Anthony GG. Alright. What are we doing, huh? Not everyone. I'm live. Let's fucking go. I hope that actually works, I'm gonna lie. Multi-stream. Yes, we're live. GG, well played. Nice. Alright. We need to have our server up, right? Let's run the server here. Make server. Yo, what's going on? Shark Beast Gaming, what's up? So now we have a server, right? And now we can actually connect the client to the server. And it's all working. Can I do auto here? Yeah, why not? It's all working and just completely fine, yeah. Alright, what does prop mean? Proprietary. Proprietary. I cannot pronounce it, that's why I say prop. Holy shit. Oh, Mansoor, what's going on? Welcome to the Market Monkey Labs Incorporation, my friend. Look at that beautiful wall here. Hi! Not enough volume. Yeah, so today we have the task of moving. Why is this actually? I need to do some better UI here, no problem at all. But we have the task of, you see these layers, right? But we don't have a volume layer. We have the VPVR, but we don't. This volume bars here, they don't have a separate layer yet. So that's what we're gonna do. What's up, Techie MMA? What's going on? The notorious Techie MMA. What's up? From the red corner, waiting. 75 kilos. Fighting from Ouagadougou. Techie. Maximus Aurelius. Oscardius. MMA. It's time. And you know what time it is? It's my time. Let's go. Alright, let's go on. I was thinking 150, so I make 150 profit with no more risk. Hey dude, how was your day? Well, today I did the Anakin and Kylo, the Pomeranian and Chow Chow. What's going on? You make me so. Your nickname make me always makes me happy. So, this morning I went for my yearly sports investigation. So it's a health checkup where they check everything, right? They check cardiovascularity, lung capacity. I need to pee in a thing. I need to pee. They check my urine. They take blood. They do all kinds of tests to check if I am gonna die or not. Very important. I suggest that every man or woman, and everybody in between of the spectrum should do his yearly checkup at least. I understand, like these completely sports checkups is useless for you because you're not a sportman. But at least go to the doctor and take your blood. Do a blood investigation, because it could be you're dying from cancer and you don't know. So I'm gonna see next week how long I have to live. Alright guys, let's continue. By the way guys, if you are a trader or an engineer or both, and you're willing to know, you wanna have insider access of Market Monkey, like how is it built? How is it market? What the fuck is going on? How am I turning myself into a multi-millionaire? You can check the link down in the description. It's cheap. It's actually 99. It's nothing. It's actually, I'm gonna raise the price. I swear to God, I'm gonna raise it very soon, because other competitors, which are completely dog shit, are selling this for over 1,000 euros. It's insane. But because it's still in an alpha, early access, insider access, it's cheaper. But that's not gonna stay for that long. So, you know what to do. I love you. What font is this? I don't know. JetBrains. Identify as a helicopter. You no, Ahmed, you identify as a Bronzen League player. That's how you identify. Man, you just, I swear, Ahmed, you can... Please, I'm not gonna talk to you unless you're at least silver or emerald or something like, or platinum. I don't know what's the best. But at least mid-silver, please. No, so what? Wait, let me quickly brush my teeth. You need to be at least gold. I'm sorry. If you're gold, I'm gonna talk to you. Before gold, don't even try. Oh, man. Whiplash, thank you, Anthony. I like your videos and streams. Thank you for your work. Hey, man, thank you for being here. Much appreciated, man. Man, you have such great energy developing these beasts every day. Such a knowledge content, man. Thank you so much. Who is this? Thank you so much. Shark Beast Gaming. Your views on the art bubble pop off due to DeepSeek? I have no fucking clue. Pop. I mean, I'm not Pennywise, you know what I mean? Where am I? What's going on? I'm on fire today. I just, like, boom, got these fire, these spits and rhymes just out of at the back of my tongue. It's like they are programmed like this. You know what I mean? It's like I'm DeepSeek. What's going on, man? Go is just the best language I have ever seen. I have built one simple project in Go and I'm already in love. But where I'm from, the language is non-existent. How do you mean? Where are you from? India. Do Spring Boot can... Yeah, but Spring Boot is actually not a waste of time. Java, I swear to God, if you can do Java, you're always good. I mean, Java is the most written language in the whole fucking planet. So Java is the way to go if you want to make money. Go. You know what I mean? Go is go. You can always make money. You can make money in JavaScript, you can make money in Python, you can make money in whatever fucking language. It's just, yeah. It's up to you. It's not a language. It's a skill issue. I'm so fucking thirsty. What's going on? Okay, so now we need to focus. Okay, so we're gonna change. Let me boot it up. The server is running. We connect to the server. It's beautiful. That's amazing. So people say, why does this thing flicker all the time here? Well, the faster it flickers, the more movement there is in the market. That's basically what it is. Because sometimes you cannot see. You see how fast it is right now because it's what is the time? It's 4. It's 4 in my 4. What is it? PM, AM? I don't know. It's just 4 in the afternoon, which basically means it's gonna be. How good I'm a trainer, man. It's gonna be world clock. I need a world clock right now. World clock. I think it's gonna be something with the New York. It's 10 o'clock New York. London 3, Tokyo. It's gonna be New York. 100%. The New York motherfuckers are basically trading right now. That's the thing. It's not the open, but it's close, right? You're going to release your own coin? Of course not. Are you crazy? I'm not a scammer. Coins. We make the tools so people can go wrecked. That's what we do. No. All right. The volume layer. So what we're gonna do is we already have some volume. I'm flabbergasted. Here, volume layer here, right? So OHLC, let me open that up. Double flame. We need a volume layer. Let me copy this thing. You know how I do, right? I'm the copy master. Volume layer. I'm the copy master. We need a pit. We need event candle. Correct. Dirty. Maybe. Image. Yes. 3 image. What is that? It's the vertices. It's the image for the vertices. Maybe. Visible. Chart. Int. Pair. Stream. Actor context. Yes. Good to go. Func. V. Volume layer. Actually, to be honest, L from layer. You know what I mean? Or from loser. Whatever you want to. If the first thing came up to your mind, the L from loser, then maybe you're one. But I know it's not, but maybe. Receive. You're going to do a receive loop, actually, to be honest. Why are we making it so hard if we can just copy things and change stuff up? Because it's actually always the same thing, right? Volume layer. So, and if it's good, the volume will basically appear. Can I make it without prop? I can. So, if it's good, then the volume layer will be a separate layer here. Right? And then it will show in here. There's still a bug here because a bit in UI sucks. But hey, it is what it is. Here, Ahmed, what's going on, man? Ahmed, leave me alone. Here. I said, talk to me when you are gold. And you're already sending me a message. How is this possible? Come back in 10 years. No volume layer. A bit an image. Colors white. Volume layer. Candle. Yes, because the volumes are in the candles. Try image. Wait. No. The vertices for later visible ID pair. Save. Volume layers. This one. Receive. Let's copy everything. Change some stuff up. If you, like I said, if you want to learn all this stuff, check the link down in the description. Okay, why can't we receive? Because this is volume layer, right? Active stop stream, substream pair. That's good. Do we have this? Yes. We're gonna subscribe to the candle stream, the interval of the chart. Yeah, exactly. That's 100% correct. I'm not lying. We're gonna do. Auto scale chart. We don't need that. Candle, MSG. That's a little bit annoying. I'm gonna lie here. I'm not gonna do these things. L chart Unix. No. No. Not correct. Oh, I'll say. It's an important message. I'm gonna open it. Fuck it. Should I try to run Market Monkey and run a bit RAM? No, you shouldn't. How can you run this on 512 MB RAM if right now it's not being separated and we're sitting around 1 gig because we store the whole shebang in memory? Is it possible to do only coding for a lifetime? Yes, it's possible. Yeah, why not? I'm 38, so I'm always my days are over. I'm still coding. Why are you guys so fucking worried about everything? It's crazy. I'm worried about what language should I use, what editor should I use. Is AI going to take or? Don't worry, be happy. You know, press buttons. GG, well played. Be gold and not bronze. Like Ahmed. I cannot do that. I cannot make a cross and say inshallah is impossible. It's against the law. But I'm a Christian. Well, I'm not. Well, I am. Well, actually, I'm not. But technically, I am because my parents just, you know, like when I'm young, I cannot do anything. And now I'm here. In the name of the Lord. Spiritus Sanctus. His name is basically Maximus Aurelius Oscardius. That's the only thing I need to know. Okay, what am I doing here? We need to do draw and render. So update. I'm gonna go. Oh, fuck me. These layers are basically. Can we please? Candles resize is dirty actually, to be honest. I think we're redrawing them on the main screen. I think the volumes are getting drawn on the main screen. No, it's not. The image, it's drawing in on the image, huh? Okay. Okay, then we need this dirty. is so dirty. Update, resize. Boom, boom, boom. We don't need this. What is going on here? We don't need to check it. That's not our job. Render some stuff. Actually, to be honest, I can do copy this. Actually, do it here. Paste that in. Render update will only be called when the image is dirty, huh? That's this. And now we're gonna use render volumes, copy all the shebang. Like this, and paste it in render update. Close it for visibility. Find visible candle range. This is so annoying, because this function is getting copied all over the place. Don't repeat yourself. I know, but sometimes it doesn't hurt. Seems to work pretty fine. Draw fill direct. Okay. Render. Okay. I'm gonna fix the later. Let's go to OHLC. Render. If visible, we return. Update. Render volumes. Boom, boom, boom. Where is render? Render lines here. If candles visible and the image is 0. Let's do the same thing. Perfectly fine. Then hola. Let me actually copy everything here and see what we can reuse. If the chart is dirty or we are dirty, we clear the image and we render updates, which is this thing. We don't need to screen because we're gonna render right into our render update chart. Now we have a render update with the screen. That's incorrect, because that draws to the local image and not to the main image. Let's clear this with the if chart type. We don't need to do this. Boom, boom. Render update is gonna draw the volumes. Blending source over, translating our local image to the chart screen image. Draw the local volume image onto the main image, and we're gonna say that she's not dirty anymore. Yuri. Do not try learning Rust as a beginner. Who says that? Ahmed, can somebody... It's fine. Leave him alone. He's bronze. Okay, one more problem. Find the visible candle range. That's actually in the... We need to find something for that. Find visible candle range. Is this shenanigans here? VS Code team Groovebox. Dark. Hard. I'm thinking we need candles, huh? So the thing is that the volume layer and this candle layer, they share. To be honest, we can do some cool look at this. But first of all, before we do crazy stuff, we copy paste that. Because never change a winning team, baby. Never change a winning team. But you are copying yourself. Yes. That's why people are stuck. They are trying to optimize and make more folders and do organization and play Minecraft inside their folder structure. You know what I mean? They're actually playing Path of Exile inside of their folders, in their code base. And instead of basically writing code and being productive and solving problems, they're actually like moving things around and looking for patterns and better variable namings. They are no programmers. They are fucking idiots, losers, nobodies that get fired all the fucking time. And then they cry on Twitter, shut up, Timmy. Get better. Stop programming. Go back to McDonald's. Okay? After the stream, 10k unsubscribed. Okay. Okay, it's good, Timmy. Why are we not calling render? I don't like that. It's an interface, huh? Is that... Why can I not find the render here? I can't find... It's not an interface. I'm a little bit confused, I'm not gonna lie. You don't have initialize. That's fucked up. What the hell? It just happened here. Can we just copy the whole thing? Alright. We need these things type chains. We don't need that. We need this on interval chains, right? Func L. Volume layer on interval changed underscore any. Stop. On interval change. Are we not implementing? Maybe, that's the thing. It does not implement the ID. That's what we need. Integer actually, to be honest. We're still not in the spot we need to be, huh? Layer is not close, it's delete. Layer is delete, my friends. Poison ourselves, huh? What's going on? I have close copied in my clipboard. What's going on here? Poison! Actually, that's good. Man, I'm fucking it up. Yes, now it's good. Now we're Gucci. We're Gucci. It's a layer, boys. It's a layer. It's satisfied. Just like my lady. Satisfied. chart with it. That's actually not correct. Volume layer. Okay. You know what? No, it's not. All these layers can basically operate independently of each other, and that's the cool stuff. So the volume layer, the candle layer, the heat, they don't need each other. They have their own separate thing. But wait, so this try image is for later on. Receive. We do all this stuff. This find candle is dirty. Exactly. That's so dirty, man. So now in this OHLC layer, what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn off the volumes. Render volumes and see how it actually goes. So we're not gonna render the volumes. So if I start this, what's gonna happen is we're not gonna have volumes at all. Right? A matter of fact, wait, where the fuck am I here? So, but look, the server is still running. Look at that, that's so beautiful. So, the server is still running, and you see all these volumes here, the VPVR, it basically has all this history. That's amazing. Because we have a server right now. Look at that. I'm coming in hot with the VPVR, the volume, profile range. Look at this, all saved on the server, GG. You see, no volumes. Where are the volumes? You can see, beautiful. Look at this. Who is doing this, do you think? This beautiful offsetting, like a nice little straddle here, huh? In volumes. What do you think that? Who do you think places these orders here? Who do you think that is? Right? Look at this. These things here. Yeah. Never seen that before, huh? Because you're using TradingView, and they don't have that. So how do we get the volumes back in, Anthony? Yeah, that's a good thing. So we need to open up app. We're gonna say, give me a heat map, give me the VPVR, and give me the volumes. So we make a chart, heat map layer, volume layer, VPVR, the whole the candle layer, and then we can make our own custom scripts and have them on top, put them in WASM, execute on the server. No one is doing this. I don't know why. Because they can't. That's why. Okay, there is some problem with the volume layer already. We can see that. It doesn't make a lot of sense. Okay, so the dirty flag, something is going on. What the hell is this? These volumes are a bit weird. Let us be honest here. What the hell's going on with the volumas? I'm able to do caching on SSD. Caching on SSD. RAM. Why would you cache on an SSD? That's if you cache on an SSD, it's not caching. It's storing. That's what they call storing. Caching is in RAM. That's why you cache. You cache things in memory so you don't need to hit disk. That's basically why caching exists. What's up, Hannah? Probably. What's up, probably, Hannah? Okay. How stupid am I? No, Ahmed, you're not stupid. You're learning. That's different. That's different. It's okay. Where are we subscribing to? Okay, we're gonna debug this, huh? That seems good. So all this stuff is perfect. Wait, actually, to be honest, do we have... Wait, what's going on? Let us check if we have the layer into the layers here. Yes, volume, you see? Now we have the volume here. Beautiful. Heat map, volume, VPVR. Okay. The only problem we have is that this volume is doing things couples doing in love. You know? Walks on the beach and stuff. Something is going on with the volumes. But that's good. Now. Update. If there is no image, we create one. Fine. If there are no candles, we don't do shit. If somebody is resizing, we resize ourselves. Render update basically gets called each time we are dirty. So we get a rect 00 because we are in local space. Candle width. Find the visible candle range. Do some stuff. I don't make some log scale to, you know, not linear, but with a log scale. Cannot explain because start, get the candle. Bar index. Left. Do this stuff. Fill the rect. Which is not optimized. Never do this. Alright, if you see OLC, vertex, you know, we vertices. Do this with vertices. But because we're lazy, it's still unoptimized. I need to change this as well, huh? That's for later. What is the build app accessible size? But the plans are a bit changed. There is going to be a desktop version, but we compile it to WASM and we run it in a browser. Thanks to Mansoor and Terry. Ioannis, what's going on? One of the first people on the stream. Ioannis, back in the day, 2 years ago, still hanging around from time to time. Don't see him too much, but from time to time he jumps in and says hello. So, hey, what's going on, man? I know who you are. I will never forget you, my friend. How's life going? Still sipping margaritas? From time to time we do that, yeah. From time to time we do this. By the way, tell me how is your life, man? You were active and then you suddenly disappeared, man. What's going on? Tell me. What happened to the LLM product thing? Trash can. It's on the graveyard. That's how it goes, man. You try something, doesn't work, throw it in the trash can. You try something, doesn't work, throw it in the trash can. You try something, you make over in a couple of weeks. Then it works. And then you keep continuing, you know what I mean? One piece of advice that you could give to someone writing JS over 4 years and now planning to switch to Golang. If you're writing 4 years for JavaScript, then it's Golang pretty easy. So what's the best advice? I don't know. You're gonna do fine, right? You're gonna do absolutely fine. And if you're trying to write Go and you cannot find on how to do things, it's because there is no way, you know? There is no fancy tough stuff. It's all manual. Ah, yeah. Style of writing. Of course, that's a little bit different, right? And that's something you need to probably not gonna nail from the first time. You can program and all that stuff is fine, but you're gonna write things a little bit weird because it doesn't. People probably do not write Golang that way. You're gonna write it in the beginning, but that doesn't matter because you're gonna read more code, you're gonna write more code, you're gonna watch some videos, blah blah blah, and at a certain point of time, you know how things will work. I wouldn't bother too much with that, right? That will come organically, you know, simple as it is. Listen, so like programming is like a woman. There is no different. It's like a GF. It's like a girl. There is no different, right? If you find someone new, it's always exciting, but you are always a little bit insecure when she's around in the beginning, right? You have no really a good clue on how you need to solve the situation. What can I do? Is she gonna like it? Am I doing it right? You know, because yeah, that's what it is. It's the same thing with programming. And there's only one programming language you never want to use. The same thing as there is one girlfriend or woman or wife you never want to have. And that's the wife that is always complaining about anything, right? Anything. You need to clean up. Are you gaming again? Or you're probably cheating on me. Why are you with your friends? That's the burrow checker of Rust. You know what I mean? That's the fucking burrow checker. You're trying to write something, boom, and it's complaining. It's complaining the whole fucking day. This thing is complaining and you cannot get anything done. You cannot even manage to get a boner because this thing is on your fucking face the whole time. That's the thing. You see how much women and programming languages have in common. So never, ever pick Rust. Don't do that. Yeah, she's hot. That's okay. Okay, that's fine. But I will go a little bit lower for my sanity. You know? Then somebody else can get Rust. He can get the hot girl. I will take the mediocre one, but I will have a happy life and have sex every day. You know? That's the difference. Oh, man. It's malware. Okay, wait. I'm completely... I don't know what are we doing. I have no clue. Let's just make... If something went out, zoom in. So the volumes are rendering at these weird locations. Nobody knows. Look at this. It's a dirty thing. So if I don't do nothing... What's going on here? Man, how many VPV... Oh, look at this, man. Look at this. Look at that. And it's dynamically scaling. Look at that. Ah, man, I'm so proud. It's a dirty thing, right? Do we actually check dirty? What specific Groovebox theme? Heart. Groovebox Heart. Team. Groovebox. You have a lot of things. Woo! Light. Beep. Flashbang. Medium. Soft. To be honest, this doesn't look bad at all. It's just my eyes cannot comprehend this until I use this for... Actually, it's not too bad. This is actually not too bad. This is actually pretty cool. Shiny new object. Don't do it. Don't fucking do it, Anthony. Groovebox Heart, light, soft, and dark heart. That's how she likes him. You know what I mean? Dark and hard. What are you using to render the UI? Nothing. A game engine. And a GPU. A button. My eyes are burning, yeah, same here. Guys, if you really want to know, like I said, a lot of people have questions. Like, if you want to know how this is this thing, you can get the source code. Check the link in the description. But you need to open up your pockets. That's what it is. Nothing for free, you know. That's how life goes. Mutual benefits. That's business. I have something you want, and you have something I want, and we exchange this, shake hands, and become friends. That's what it is. Businessmen. We are gonna be both businessmen, you and me. Join the community. Go into my Discord. There is a lot of stuff for free. If you want to be in the Market Monkey Private Discord. Check the link. Not for sensitive people, by the way. You need to... Sometimes I batter them up. For the better. Ask Ahmed. This little guy here. Ask him. People say that I'm... But I'm taking Ahmed under my wings. You know? And I'm teaching him the way of life. In the good and the bad. In richdom and poverty. But I'm a snowflake. Damn. Okay, let me quickly focus here. I need to... It's the is dirty flag. So each new candle... Okay, it's gonna... Johannes, got a Golang job because of you, but I can't find meaning and fulfillment in anything most companies do nowadays. I know, man. You're like me. They pay a lot of they pay money, right? It's easy actually. You go to your job, you do your stuff, and you come home and you can do what you want, and you don't need to worry. But still, that's not what we want. It's funny, isn't it? It's actually funny, right? So you want to make money and you want to have a good job as an engineer, and then you have a job and a good job, and you make money, and you can write these projects and you can write Golang or write your language that you want every day, and you have a wife and kids, and your life is great. Your life is great actually. You have everything together, but still you are missing something because you're not living. You're not living life. Life lives you. It's too easy. You know what I mean? It's because it's too easy. It's because some people like that. Some people admire that. Some people want to reach that. But some people, and I know a lot, and most likely a lot of people of my community, because they relate with me, otherwise you won't subscribe to an asshole like me. We need intellectual challenges. If our mind or brain is not getting challenged, we are bored. You know what I mean? And that's what happens. And we seek these challenges every day. And the moment they become boring, we're going to look for something else. That's how it is. That's why you are not happy at your job. And you have these two sides, right? You have two sides. You have left, you have an angel. And right, you have the devil on your shoulder. And an angel says, yeah, but it brings money, and it pays my rent, and it pays my house or my mortgage or whatever. And you say, yeah, actually that's true. It pays my stuff. And then you have this little devil that says, man, it's boring, and you could build something your own, and there is much more money to grab. You know what you see? Who do you pick? I always pick the fucking devil, of course. Fuck the angels. You know what I mean? The devils. I need to be challenged. I need to take risks. That's what it is, because tomorrow I can die. I can die when I can die right now on stream. Stroke. You know what I mean? I can die. Tomorrow cannot become anymore. So why am I actually fucking getting shit on my fucking face every time by my boss or my manager or the stupid fucking PM or lead engineer with his fucking fat belly and nose hair? Life is too short to be lived. Or something like that. Damn. You can hire me for giving these motivational speeches at themotivationalspeaker.com. Call me Yogurt, what's going on? We're trying to find a bug, but I cannot focus because chat is basically continuously interrupting me. That's a problem. The good thing is that I know that up front, and I always do the simple tasks. I think the problem is going to be here. That's what I think. Let us find is dirty. Is dirty. Is dirty. It looks actually perfectly fine. I don't understand. The thing is that we set the chart. You know what the thing is? You know what the thing is? The problem is going to be the way these. We need to find a way to filter these layers, to sort them, because actually, it's the OLC layer that's basically controlling the chart. Man, look at this. All this thing is... the server is amazing. All the volume is just being saved. And it's going to be with the candles very soon as well. I have the feeling it's working right now. Yeah, so you're wondering why are these changing? That's because the visible range queries an amount of candles, and then we basically scale the bars based on the visible range, right? Because otherwise you're gonna have, let's say, 20 minutes ago there was like a big volume spike. You don't wanna have this in your range calculation. If you know what I mean? I love taking risks, but Ahmed, you're 16, man. You should you are a risk. You know what I mean? Man, something is. I am not convinced these volumes are working like they need to be. Now we go back to this level here, probably. What price is this? 1600. You see how this is like this even number, right? And it's probably sitting. You see, there's a lot of volume around this level, but a lot of buy volume. So I'm actually pretty curious what it's gonna do here at this point. It will go to this point. You could easily scalp this to here, 100%. I could be wrong, but that could be this play. If it's gonna turn out, we don't know, but it's always a good IV play. It's always a good play to try at least, right? Yeah, I don't know. It seems working, huh? The problem is this thing here, right? Luckily it's gone. Luckily it's gone. Luckily it's gone here. Look at that. Now I want to see it playing out. Does that mean that this will be over the candles, huh? Because the... So I'm gonna put it back before the layer. So the thing is, guys, that actually this layer should be the first one. Because this layer, I know it's a little bit of a code smell, but this layer is actually responsible for setting the main chart price range, right? Because a chart cannot, if you have a chart, if you have a chart, like, and here's price, right? How do you know how to make your price range? How do you know that? You don't know that. Why? Because you need to have data. But data is basically coming from the OHLC, from the candle. I'm going to call it candles, right? From the candles. And the candles is basically setting the range by getting the first bar and the last bar in the visible range. Sets that data to the chart. The chart can determine the center price. Hence, it can determine a nice range here to get the chart on the board. But that means that each time the candle layer will tick and update the chart will have a Unix, the last Unix, the last bar, the last message. The problem is that if you first render these layers, heat map, VPVR volumes, they're gonna be a little bit out of sync, you know? So let me actually try again with putting the volume before the candle things, and it's gonna probably be a little bit scuffed again. You see that? You see how scuffed it is? It's because it cannot... The moment you decide to draw something on the screen is basically based on... So, let's say this is going to be a 1 hour chart. It does not mean you're gonna get a candle each hour. You're gonna get a candle each trade, basically. But the moment you're gonna basically finalize your candle is based on the Unix. And now it's gonna make sense. Because now it's first gonna update, and you see, now the volumes can render decently. It's still weird, not gonna lie, but there is no volume in these things, right? It cannot even... Something is still fucked up, not gonna lie. It's again out of sync. It's again out of sync, huh? Why does YouTube stream as 1080p and Twitch only 7? Is that true? I don't know. Maybe I have a low resolution or something, a low bit stream. I don't know. It's normally decently. Does the full-time GoDev still exist? Oh yeah, they do. It does still exist. The website is just changed because it's only for people that want to find it. you know, only for people that really want to find it, they will find it. Fuck. What about run-based graveyard? I know. Maybe we should do... They should receive the same message, right? So... how can we sync it? Last price, how do we, huh? Not charge for anything. Int 64. The project seems to have so much potential. Yeah, it is. But the thing is, yeah, it is. But there is something that is called... man, listen, guys. So, like, project success is not determined by the skill of the coder. Right? So you can be the best programmer in the world. It doesn't really matter. Skill. Right. Idea. How do you write idea? It's not about the idea. You can have the best idea in the world. It's not gonna work. It's about it's a formula. But you need to have three things. That is motivation, you need to have distribution, shun, and you need to be P F F product founder fit. Product founder fit. Forget about the language, forget about the tech stack, forget about performance, forget about the idea, forget about everything. These three is what you need to succeed. You can even if you cannot write a single code, if you have these three, you're gonna succeed. Or you likely have a high chance. Right? Motivation is very important. Without motivation, no conversation. What can motivate you? People say open source. Open source sucks. Because open source is open source. And what people are going to do with open source is they're going to basically create pull requests that are garbage. And you're not going to make any money. You're not going to make any money. After 2 weeks, your motivation is going to drop, which is completely normal. You don't make any money, so you're going to say, man, nobody's going to use this. I'm wasting my time. And you drop the project and you do something else. Right? So it's very important to always ask money for what you do, basically. That's so important. Open source and code is for the losers. I swear to God. I'm sorry for all the beautiful projects we actually utilize, but I never donate a single penny. But if they're gonna ask me to pay or I cannot use it, I will pay. You know? That's what it is. It's a loser's game. It's a sucker's game. Always ask money. Does that mean you're a scammer? No. That's normal. That's how life operates. Right? People want something. You give something. They give you money. It's the same thing. If you want to buy a bread or a fucking protein shake, you're going to pay money. They're not going to give it for free, you know? I mean, what the fuck is that? Right? Distribution is very important because without distribution, nobody's going to see what you're doing. Also important for motivation, right? You need to have money for motivation, but two, you need to have respect and, how do you call that? If people use your stuff, if people talk about your stuff, if people DM you and they say, hey man, you're making a great project, nice, that's gonna be upping your motivation as well. Where do you find distribution? Build an audience. Where do you find an audience? YouTube, Twitter, blog post, whatever fucking garbage, Reddit, whatever fits your fancy. 3, PPF, product founder fit. If you do not care about AI, if you do not care about financial instruments or whatever, and you build an app that is actually focused around that, you're not having product founder fit. Hence, you're basically going to lose interest along the run. So pick something you like. Pick something that suits you. Pick something that is you. These 3, success. Language, performance, hype, not success. So work on these 3. And be free. What do Is Dirty do? Is Dirty basically tells the layer that it needs to redraw. That's Is Dirty. Can you show us the latest VS Code settings? Yeah, I will. They are on GitHub actually. They are the same. They are the same settings. Fuck me, man. There was basically a reason why actually render volumes was basically here because it was so easy to do. In my opinion. In my opinion. Does that mean? I'm sorry. How can I make this fix? When do we tick? When do we tick in this cell layer? We tick here. We could actually, if we're really brave, we could actually just send a message to an actor message to another layer and then get a scandal from here and then because we're setting the chart here and we are using actors, we should actually send messages to the actor. But it's fine. I mean, you're not gonna do that. But technically, that should be the that should be the way to go if you really want to have a real actor system for your panels. But it is one, but it's a little bit different. Not for the layers, I would say. Well, for the layers, but I mean, not for the layer and the chart does not mean they are one whole. A whole. A union. L-chart last Unix. L-chart interval is smaller than this message. Then we append a candle. This basically means we're gonna draw it. We're gonna say that we are dirty. It basically means we need to redraw ourselves. And we keep updating the last candle here. But does that mean? Yes. What's the best practice with the error handling? If that is not nil. Welcome to Golang. Cheers. Are we clearing it? Yeah. Okay. But maybe it is working like intended. Alright? Maybe we're working like intended. Get the visible, yeah, that's fine, that's fine. Where do we draw this thing? Here. What I want to do... bar height. Bar height, bar height, bar height. No, normalized bar height by is 1. Normalized bar height cell is 1. So this is gonna be 1, 1, 1. So we're gonna be sure that it's not the log scale fucks it up. And that seems to work. I don't know if you, but you can see here, right? And this disappears! Kumbaya. Nah, it's probably because these... They are not the fucking same bars. You know? They're not the same bars anymore. Wait, can we go back? Okay, so let's just go back, delete the volume layer, and enjoy a nice sight. So now the volumes are gonna... You see, that's how it needs to work. You see that? That works like a charm to me. There is always a bar. Of course, it could be that there is no thingy, right? There's kind of volume. There's kind of volume. What? Everything has to do with Unix timestamps. The moment they are out of sync with what the chart's telling you. Man, look at this. This should take so much memory, this. We should clear it. I'm thinking about the way how is this possible? It's actually impossible. Yeah, we did the thing, but still. Francisco Gomez. I think I'm getting scammed. I got a Web3 offer paying a lot on LinkedIn. They sent me a calendar and the GitHub of the project, but the company doesn't exist. I don't know, man. If you want me to look into this, you need to send me the name of the project. Otherwise, we can't help you, but it's Web3. You know what I mean? It's Web3. 1, 2, 3. I'm waiting for Web 4. It's gonna be so amazing. I mean, it's actually, I was just thinking about this again. I mean, Web3 is still garbage and unusable. Even for a seasoned veteran like me building these fucking prop trading terminals. For me, using Web3 is a pain in the ass. I'm always basically like being, how do you call that? Psycho if I need to send money or receive a lot of money on a wallet and need to check the wallet. I'm always in this kind of anxiety, like, oh my goodness, I hope this is gonna work. And then MetaMask pops up with things and you don't fucking read it because you just click it in the hope everything is fine, right? And then suddenly, oh, you can't because it's on another fucking chain, mister. Okay, let's swap it. And you need to swap it. It pops up again. 2 or 3 things you need to sign on your MetaMask. You have no clue what it is. It's a bunch of hexadecimals. I don't know. So, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna trust you. Which I shouldn't do, but I do. And I click. And then suddenly it's swapped. But we can't. And we are losing like $6 on fees. Fuck me. But yes, I swapped. Good luck. Web3 experience. Yes. Yes, baby. Amazing. Meanwhile, there is something that is called AI, which basically means can write a complete project with a click on a single button in 10 seconds, right? 1 year ago, that thing didn't exist. Now, that thing exists. And every fucking month, something new pops up that can do crazy things I could never dreamed about. But Web3? Still as garbage as 10 years ago. As garbage as 4 years ago. The same bullshit. Nothing has changed. High fees, slow transactions, all over the fucking place. You know? That's Web3. Where is Web 1? Where is Web 2? We don't know. We have Web 3. Okay, where is 4, 5, and 6? Because it should already been here. You know what I mean? Jesus fucking Christ. It's insane. Oh yeah, you have Solana. Let's write a smart contract in Rust that's basically undebuggable. You know, I did it before. I made hackathons in fucking Solana. This thing is unusable. Unfucking usable. Oh yeah, let's write a smart contract in Ethereum. It's impossible. It's easy, but to make it like fail-proof, you need to hire these fucking companies to inspect your code because there's always something that can happen. Because all these motherfuckers, these cracked engineers with their neckbeards, they will find a bug to drain your whole fucking wallet, to drain your whole contract and scam all of your users. They will find one. So what you need to do is you need to hire some company. Most of the time you need to hire 2 of these companies because maybe this one of these companies would be wrong. That would be a disaster. And you need to pay 1,000 and 100,000 euros to inspect and give you a stamp that this coin is safe. That's the experience we have. Good job. So all these motherfuckers in Web3, they have no clue what you're doing. So what they do right now is they sell these fucking NFTs because that's the only thing that they can do right now. That's basically the blockchain crypto space right now, right? Shit. So I wouldn't save it. Somebody needs to fix it. How hard can it be? A couple of fucking Chinese quants made DeepSeek R1 for, I don't know, 100 million? While fucking this gay boy, how's his name? Sam Altman, you know what I mean? This guy needed to have billions. But we cannot fix Web3. How? Please explain me. Please fucking explain me. That can only basically mean 2 things. Or everybody in Web3 is fucking garbage. Which possibly can because I'm not working in that anymore. Well, technically. Or it's unsolvable. That's the thing. Two possibilities. Everybody sucks. Or it cannot be fixed. That's what it is. DeepSeek costs 6 million. 6 fucking million. But Web3, like just do a MetaMask simple thing for a fucking fee, $0.1, impossible. In fucking possible. You make a transaction, you're not sure that it's actually validated. No, you need to have so many minutes. You need to wait. We need to have a couple of valid. No, why? Why is that even possible? Build a better system. Fix it. Jesus. Noobs. Garbage. Losers. That's what it is. If people would pay me like... If I would have $500,000, I would build a system that actually is decent. That actually works. Like a good system. Something that, oh, not this fancy stuff. Oh, we're gonna use this and that and this other. How is it? This Cardano, man. Garbage! Writing smart code in Haskell. Who the fuck is going to write fucking Haskell, man? Who is gonna do that? It's garbage. Ah. Shit, man. That makes me so annoyed. This whole space needs to have a cleanup, a revamp. That's what they need. Music is still playing. That's good. Yeah, Web3 and the concept is good. Like, it's good. Like, the system thing is good. You have this basically decentralized place where you can write applications on top and you can... That's an amazing idea. That's great. Not that I care about decentralization, but hey, you know what I mean? But it is great. It solves a lot of problems, especially in a lot of countries. You can do amazing shit, trustworthy shit upon. But the thing is, like, it's still like... Okay, cool. How... 2017, right? 2017 was basically the boom of Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? Let us be honest. That was the catalyst. Let us be honest, right? End of 2017. 8 years. 8 fucking years later. A block hash, a transaction hash of an address hash. Why? Does it need to be so complex? So if my grandma or my neighbor or the bakery, the bakerman, the butcher receives a payment from me. Hey, baker, butcher, Jonathan, here is a transaction hash. He has no fucking clue what that means. Give me this address. I mean, what is this? How can somebody fix this? Like, transaction fee, 4 fucking euros. I mean, this is 6 euros for a transaction fee. How is this even fucking possible? Here, how can somebody, what is this? Click. It's unusable. Here, what does this mean? Here, this is not the way it needs to be. People want to see like a bank. It needs to be a wallet banky thing, you know? It's still not changed. It's the same bullshit like 8 years ago. No fucking evolution in these things. Nothing. Nada. Nothing. Legit nothing. They had this Aptos blockchain. That was something a couple years ago that was promising. Because we had Ethereum, which is still the best. Then we have Solana, which is Solana. Then they had this Aptos thing. Millions in funding. Here. Millions in fucking funding. A website. Nobody understands what fuck's going on. You know what I mean? Your big idea meets its match. All bullshit what they say here. It's like, gaming. Where is this blockchain? Is this actually a thing? The thing is, all these games, they spin up because they get funding out of thin air. You understand that? Like, all these created tokens out of thin air are getting funded to these guys, and they can build for years. You know what I mean? But the money is not real. The whole system is not fucking real. It's a woozy, it's a wazi, it's a fugazi. And of course, what happens if you give people a bunch of money for free? You get bullshit, dog shit, useless stuff, because they don't need to grind for it. They don't need to go to the normal phase of building something. No, they built just because to get funding. I was there. I was there as well. I had the same mindset like all these losers here. The same mindset. The same. So if you're basically a big pioneer, you're not gonna be on my stream, I know. But if you're a big pioneer, or you're somebody in thing, and you wanna talk to somebody that actually knows how it does, because I was the pioneer. I built a new blockchain, my friend. You know what I mean? This blockchain. What is this market cap of this thing? My code sits in this bad boy here. It was one of the first coins came out, and shares back in the day. What do you think? Who do you think I am? I am the crypto daddy. This website is still as garbage as it was. Cool. That was my fucking project, man. That was my fucking project. Anyway, check that out. Neo blockchain. Yeah, everybody is focusing on the wrong things just to get money. That's what it is. Okay, what the fuck is going on with this volume thing? Here we do this crazy stuff, right? I think it's the index is just not synced. I need to get these candles somewhere else. Wait, I have an idea. Yeah, this is the exact same thing. What is the idea? VS Code. That's the 1 minute. But each time I scroll, it's dirty, and it's gonna update what is dirty, you know. Because it makes no sense, I know, but I need to wait 1 minute here. And this keeps volume way too long in memory. We need to bucket this. Is this the terminal? No, it's not. It's application. Dusk Coin Project. Dirk Huis. Their website is so garbage. It's like people cannot market. It's crazy. Like they can't not market. They have no understanding how marketing works. No understanding. The first image, it doesn't tell me anything. An ugly background with regulated and decentralized finance, which is basically the same slogan as 520,000 other fucking projects that does the same thing. Okay, nice. Where is my TLDR of what you're doing? Where is that? Where can I spend money on this product? How do the businesses operate? They don't. They make zero money, zero revenue, nougat, rien de knots, jamais de la vie. The only thing they get is funding and coins. And that's how they basically get their money. But profit, they don't know what that is. And it's clearly to see, because look at this. This huge image that makes no sense. Institution-centric landscape. What does that even mean? Landscape, institution-centric. Makes no fucking sense. These images make no fucking sense. What is that even? And then you have a couple of sentences here. Issuers only have access to fragmented liquidity. Like, do you understand where my concern is? Where my frustration is in this space? Wait, it's also a user-centric landscape with another useless image. So that's get out of here. How do these companies get funding? How is this possible? If you're a venture capitalist, if you're a VC and you invest money in these companies, I have no fucking clue. I'm a little bit questionable. Jesus Christ. Oh man, deliver something. How is it possible? But what can I do here? That's what can I do here as a user? My name, Anthony Oscardius Aurelius Maximus. What can I do? I have money. Wait, let's do. Here is money. And I'm willing to spend it right now. How? Where? How do I spend money here? What can I buy here? So I can where? Here? Let me maybe accept the cookies. I need to build on this. And they have grants, of course. They make no money, zero profit, but they can already spend grants, of course, because they're some gangsters, man. Even they're from Dutch. Garbage! Okay, we have some candles here. It seems to work. It doesn't work. Ethereum.org. If so, I swear to God, if somebody would give me a shit ton of money, not even a shit ton, like a 500,000, 1 million, I know already the best engineers. I already know them. I don't need to find them, and I don't need a recruiter. I don't need anything. I have them already. It's simple. It's just like clip, and I have the... I don't need a team of... A team of 3 is all that I need. I don't need more. And I have them like... It's just one fucking tap away on my cell phone. The moment the stream ends, it's the moment they are ready to drop any task they have at hand. Even if they're with their dick inside of the mouth of their woman, it doesn't really matter. They put it out and they come to me to start building what we need to build. That's how it is. But no, these people want to spend money to all the losers in the world. And then they are complaining that they lose money. It's crazy. It's fucking crazy, man. Then you have one single guy. I have fucking 2 kids, a wife. Main things to do. Go to the gym. I run marathons. And I build this shit in 3 fucking weeks. Alone. How is this possible? Am I a unique human being? No, I am not. I am mid. It's the other people that are basically complete dog shit. That's the difference. That's the difference. I am just normal. I'm not even smart. I'm a normal human being. It's all the others. They have zero motivation, zero conversation, too much masturbation. Where are my volume? Who stole my volume bars? You see? Crypto is a scam. They stole my volume bars here. Okay, so this thing is... I need to figure out how to fix that. We need to sync it in some way. Wait, I know what my play was here. I know what the play is. We can actually debug this. If I had 1 million... It was already over with all these competitors. It was already over. The game was already fucking over. Over. Because I have an insane distribution mechanism. You know what I mean? Like, I'm the world's best marketeer. It's crazy. I have the feeling they are breaking into my house. And they're stealing everything. It's like they're now walking with the TV. My dogs are getting kidnapped and everything is... Oh, man. Oh. I came out of my streaming room and everything is gone. Imagine that. Holy shit. Okay, what are we doing here? Let's focus. So we have this candle and each time this thing. Let's do this. MSG Unix, because that's going to be the last one. Right. And now we're going to do the same thing in the volume layer here. What's going on here? Which place are you listening? Artlist. Artlist, and then EDM, and have some fun, you know? You could also do EDM, trance, and electronic. These 3, GG. And sometimes, if you want to keep it a little bit more down the low, lo-fi. And we're good. And if you're really feeling Diddy, you can use some hip-hop as well. Here. I still have the feeling that this function... I need to stop talking and start printing. Is that correct? Yes. So let's make this thing, and what we're gonna do is we are going to go back to the, let's say, 1 minute, the 1 minute thing. Now let me see. So now we need to wait 1 minute. Okay. Actually, let's do 5 seconds maybe. But the 1 second is a little bit... What's going on? Okay. We need to clear these things. You see, that's the problem. So now they tick, right? So now we're gonna have a candle and we're missing one. You see, we're missing this one, right? Now we're gonna have one. It's all gonna be fine. It's all gonna be Gucci. It's not setting the chart too dirty. As long as these two numbers are the same, it's fine. Ja. Habes. Yes. Here. Help. Missing candle. Volumes. Candles are fine. It's the volumes. And that's because I have so much skill issues I need to fix. So it's basically a syncing issue, right? Because we're moving this layer, we're using the same candles, but the way we actually determine whenever we need to plot one is scuffed, apparently. Could you add a watch list for the tickers? We can do that for sure. That's a good idea, actually, to be honest. Thank you so much, Francesco Gomez. That's actually a very good idea. The thing is, there is so much time, so much thing that needs to happen. Okay, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna be very great. I'm gonna say L is dirty to true all the fucking time. Can we please hide this? So you see, now it's updating continuously, right? Because now it's live drawing on the fly, you know. This volume, I cannot hide this. How can I? But we still have an issue, and that's correct because they are not being added to the list. So what we could do. Is this where debuggers needs to be used? Yes. They could help. They could help for sure. But I can't because I have no clue. I don't know how debuggers work because I never used them. So yeah, maybe I should. You got me off guard, Insanity. And I'm not gonna lie, you basically exposed me here. You exposed me for everybody. That's a little bit annoying. Okay, Nightbot is basically no. I think the best play is to emit candle. Emit it. Like emit it somewhere. Like make an event globally available to emit a candle because it for performance reasons is if but we need to emit. I'm gonna think about this because I'm gonna think about a way to nicely sync the whole shebang. But we did a lot of work. I mean, this morning, yesterday evening, separating client and server. So you can see that the server is running here. right? It's like, it's gonna be, you see new subscriptions here. It's subscribing. There's all the streams where the client panels are subscribing to. We have one hectic session, which is this one, right? And all these volumes, like these things here, they're all coming from the server, which is nice. And I'm gonna take the candles and gonna persist them as well. So I'm gonna be honest, what I sometimes do, and I'm gonna be completely honest, and I'm not ashamed, is if I have this issue, and I know what is it causing it, which is basically just the Unix, that we miss the Unix at some point, is dump that question, dump my code into DeepSeek or O1 or something. Cloud is an idiot. Cloud is good for these small refactors, but cloud reasoning, or even just it's bad. Sometimes it can find the issue, sometimes not. Not always, but there is a chance. And that could save me an hour, you know what I mean? Is a heat map for liquidation? No, this is order book heat map. This is where currently all the volume is, right? So in live, right? So you can see that, for example, probably at this level, 105k, 380, you know exactly how much volume there is. Boom, boom. How much volume is sitting in the books right now. And that's good to see. Trading ranges, bid and ask and sell walls and all that stuff. Alright, just a second, guys. Yes! Look at this! You know what that is? Look, it's the cleaning lady, and she basically took care of my clothes, you know? Nice! So we have like some socks. And she makes my socks nice, you know, you see? Like the Nike socks. She makes it nice, like, she's... What the fuck, man? What happened with the... What the fuck? This... No, these smell good. That's a cleaning lady. I love it. So I don't need to do the clothes, you know what I mean? I have no time for that. I'm a businessman. Yeah, so these are basically live heat order book snapshots. So each bar is basically the state of the order book at that moment of time, which goes really deep on BTC because on Binance. But for Bybit, they only, for example, Bybit. Why is it not working? What's going on with Bybit? Did I actually server? Oh, right, Bybit is not running because on the server. Yeah. Bybit has a way lower depth of the order book, which is annoying, but it is what it is. Okay, cool. Big respect to the lady. Yeah, of course. She's from Brasilia. Bom dia. Liquidations. Yeah, but liquidations work a little bit different because liquidations information is not that fast. Liquidations don't tick as fast as all the other information we have. So that needs to have another approach. But for example, what I am planning to do... Shit, my server, I killed it. Oh no. Look, my charge stopped. Ay caramba. So what I'm planning to do is actually adding a study bar, or you know what I mean? I'm gonna show you what I mean. Where do I draw this whole UI? Here. Now I need to add this to... here. I think here. Foo. And then we're gonna have, you see, then we have this space here. And then we can draw liquidations there. Or as an overlay, but it makes more sense to have them here. So, just like in TradingView, you know, but better. Makes sense, right? Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for being here today on the stream. The Market Monkey Labs Incorporation is so fucking thankfully, gratefully happy you were here today with me. Again, for the people I want to know how it built, for the people I want to be insider from day one, link in the description. Insider, market information. I can teach you a lot of stuff. I worked over a very long time in the space. Of course, you're going to have lifetime access. So if you want to be an insider and you want to stick with me for the rest of your life, check the link down in the description. And for the people that don't, I still love you. You know what I mean? I'm going to make some... What's the time? I'm going to make some food, get some nicotine, fix my bugs, get back to work. Because it might seem the end of the workday, but not for us. You know what I mean? Money never sleeps.